Hi everyone, I'm Shubham Jhanwar. We are discussing KVPY 2017 SX, and the question for this video is this. An ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b, and the parabola x square equal to 4 times y plus b are such that the two foci of the ellipse and the endpoints of the latus rectum of parabola are the vertices of a square. Then the eccentricity of the ellipses. 4 options, single correct type. Let's solve it. So here we are supposed to have an square with vertices being two of the vertices are the foci of the ellipse. So you may say where a is greater than b, so it will be e comma 0 and minus a comma 0 you may say. So minus a comma 0 doesn't matter much. Yeah, and endpoints of latus rectum. So here the center, rather the vertex of the parabola would be what? 0 comma minus b. Yeah, and latus rectum length is 4 and it is concave up parabola. So you may say from 0 comma minus b you would move 1 unit up. Yeah, so minus b plus 1 would be the y coordinate of the end points of the latus rectum. So minus b plus 1. And what about the x coordinate? It will be 2a and minus 2a. 4a is 4, so it will be you may say 2 and minus 2 like that. Yeah. So here clearly you can see that the length of or the side length of the square is 4, 2 minus 2, y coordinate being same and x coordinate being 2 minus 2. Side length is 4. Otherwise also you can easily say that since the endpoints of the latus rectum are two vertices of a square, the length of latus rectum, which is 4, is the side length of the square. Apart from that, hence you can also say that this 2AE length is also 4. That means AE is 2. Apart from that, you can also say that since AE is 2, makes sense, right? A is supposed to be 2 also, otherwise also, yeah, A is supposed to be 2 because it is a square. Yeah, so if one line is parallel to x-axis because y coordinate is same, the other line should also be parallel to x-axis, and that too, the x coordinates should be should be same, minus to minus 2 2 2. That way also you could have said. Nonetheless, so here you can say that 1 minus b can either be 4 or minus 4 depending upon whether you are taking this point to be above or below, because here it has not been mentioned whether b is positive or negative like that. Nonetheless, so that means b can either be minus 3 or 5. Yeah. Now we also know that a square is equal to b square plus a square in case of a whole square you may say, in case of ellipse. So here a is 2. If b is if b is minus 3, then a would be what? Assuming a to be positive, so to speak. Yeah, doesn't matter much as such. You may say mod a if you want to say it that way. Yeah. So you may say it will be what? 9 plus 4, 13, root 13 and 25, so you get root 29. Yeah. And what about eccentricity? Here clearly you can see eccentricity is 2 by a, or rather 2 by mod a, so to speak. Doesn't matter much. The point here is eccentricity would either be 2 by root 13 or you may say 2 by root 29. So among the options 2 by root 13 is there. So that's what is supposed to be the answer. So here, thanks for listening, and B is the answer.